Hello, in this video I will be showing you the transaction number overrides that are in the system, and same with the reference override stuff that you've got. So the easiest place to have a look at that stuff is probably in creditors, and the first place I'm going to go is creditor defaults. And we have this in customer and a number of other areas, but we go to the purchase options, and here's all the different types of transactions, and automatic numbering for transactions are turned on for all of them. Okay, so we'll now go into, say, a purchase invoice, if you like. We go purchase invoice, we'll choose the supplier, and we have a reference that's required for this invoice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we don't have anything else in there other than the invoice number and the reference for it. But for some reason, you need an order number that needs to be different from an automatic perspective. It's a physical order number that's come from a manual book or whatever that might be. Same with the reference that's different on the order as opposed to invoice. So I'll close this out of here, go back into defaults, and there's a flag here that says require order number on new deliveries and invoices. We'll tick that on. We'll now go back into the purchase invoice, and you'll see you've got order invoice number, reference, order number, and reference. So you've got 4 there. So we'll choose the supplier, and there's a reference that's required here, and I'm going to call it INV001. All right. And I've got automatic numbers here, and I've got a reference for my order, which is going to be ORD001. All right. Now, for these, I use my automatic numbering on invoice. It's fine, but because this came from an order book, I want to actually use a specific number. So I can come in here and go override automatic numbering. Now it'll allow me to put in my own number. So I'll go PORD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is now the number that's going to be used. Okay, I'm just going to copy this for a sec. If that's not what you want, you can always turn it back to automatic numbering. All right, so let's override it again. Just pop the number in. So now when I process the transaction, I'll just purchase one line in, and we'll go process, and the order that's connected to it will now have the relevant information. Okay, we can then go in, if you like, to the supplier transactions for this customer. For this supplier. We'll open up the supplier screen here. All right, we'll go to transactions, we'll go to orders, and we will see PORD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here with ORD001, and the invoice that was created from that is here, INV001. And the automatic transaction number overrides occur wherever there are automatic transaction numbers, be it in the debtors transactions, job, wherever. All right. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Sybiz.